Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kahanyotrap National Liberation Council kabadai kawai kaseng kiyang atyar jong kajala kabala syanyo kum kaseng bian na 26 arajar ar lingba kasiti balasoy da uba san kupar nong traw kum u General Secretary bat uba Bobby R. Marwin kum u Chairman haka Henry Tarik ubenay leber araja apusan kalathung ya uba Fernando Shangplang kum unong ya saat an ban mi ikmat ya kaseng haka arpu ar Tarik ubenay leber araja apusan Hakmat ka tribunal jong katanat ki kampo iyeng ka sarkar pedeng bani shimbenta ha ka hearing halor ka jing sha khen bian ka seng ka bansalong ha ka State Convention Center Shillong kumban chukdo hangne baka sarkar jala kala IT ya ki kot kisla sha ka yeng bishar badai pet ya ki kambian ya ka balatip kum ka unlawful activities tribunal ka bapin shisha ya ka jing beteng banyo ya ka kenhun leno kum ka seng bian ka tribunal kabala thau da katanat kampo iyeng kari ya kabala khli da u justice Soumitra Saikia jong ka Guwahati High Court ban bishar halor ka jingyo bian ya ka HNLC kala shong dorbar hasilong ha ubenai baladap bat wanra ya ki mukot duma kiba batai halor ka jingyai beteng ban sha khen bian ka te ka kenhun Dangshen kata kakat sauturik ubenai naiweng araja apusau katanat kampo iyeng jong ka sarkar pedeng lengba katanat ki kampo iyeng kari kalapin bena biang ya ka HNLC kum kaseng bian na kabenta sasan snem nomor ka jingdon kti jong ka ha ka jingja bashir khai bat ka jingle bian ya kari India habakran chekilat pathai ku bor menta kasi Haslong Press Club ha ka jinge don lang ringkat da u president ka HYNF bat ubadeiru uksyang ka HNLC uba sadon kebla Banakalyang uba Fernando Shangplang uloong bakate ka hearing kade banya sa hakmat ka yeng bishar halor kanong rim bala kaseng HNLC kandang yai beteng hakmat ka jing sha khen bian ne kanum sha khen bian shu ha ka sarkar pedeng uloong baha ka hearing kabalalong ha ubenai baladep lalum bat wanra ya baro ki mukot duma ki bala pelong ya ka HNLC bakan sha khen bian katkum ka jing bishar benya da ka sarkar pedeng ya baro ki mukot duma ki bayadei bat ka HNLC tenthopru ya ki jingtep bakaladon kti ha ki saupu pratli ki mukot duma runar nadu ki jing bethai bom hadu ka jingbu ya ki terpen bethai ha Meghalaya kata ha pedeng ka khatru tarik unai weng 8000 khat khandai hadu laipho tarik ujeliu 8000 apusau ha ka ju kapor katkum ka jing bishar benya layo jingtep bakiladon laingot ki dukhat jong ka kenhun ki balawan ban pendam wat hakmat ka sarkar bat ka jingkem ya ki hinyo pulai ngot ki weipat ki dukhat ka seng shu uba Shangplang uloong baha kate ka hearing nalor justice Soumitra Saikia jong ka Guwahati High Court uban khli ya ka tribunal on sadan ru ki officer ka sarkar pedeng ki ban mi ikmat bat kumju ru na kalyang ka sarkar jilla on mi ikmat daki officer IPS bat ki ki officer jong ka superintendent of police Shillong branch
Prepare kecil, semua bibit beras pada di kecil petik ke bawah dia, adalah pada yang poin lama ni kena bagi chip dengan kamu, bagi brief kerja ni beras kalau ke bentar apa kita dah ni petik, sekarang ni petik. Masuk apa petik bunyi bah lalu senam hal jarak, lembaga sokar, kami lembaga Ministry of Home Affairs. Daka feedback dari state government kita declare ka HNLC kum ka band organization atau ka UAT maksudnya tengah dalam ini ba Fernando Shangplang ke kaji terpawai long ba hak apa tadi untuk naik kandung ka hearing ke bala khot lagi ka tribunal yang bala ila ya seng HNLC bakal kontes ya kami ka jing Shaban Bakani ini kasih kepada kong untuk senang awal hadu mentah bak HNLC kalau memilih bak kontes yang mereka declaration as illegal organization yang segi berkawai. Kata kata ini cuma thang dengan mana bak kepada kawa kambun dan lawyer yang bak segi kalau tu lembaga city of appointment kepada dia sendiri berumah atau jalan besar kepada tu dan segi ya ibarat Fernando Shangplang kumu nong sadain bernikmat yang segi hak apa tarik hakmat ka tribunal jong ka Union Home Ministry berkontes yang kata jingsha declare kaseng as kum kata ban organization di bubun bentar apa i loya in kam percaya ya pi press media senang berkata kan yo ketika jikit
cerita jadi halo teman-teman itu apa baik dari partnernya kes kemudian juga kemudian juga UAP mau kesenang mau ini ketika kawan beda dengan kita home ministry of home affairs mau limba lagi ke notification New Delhi ya di nomor 2024 di apa baik dari begini malah isu yang ada notification kalau yang ada ni kes apa kertas kami hambo kapan sedang kami hambo kan state convention kapan nong haka aku atribut macam tahu ada apa te hadde ron kani nomrem ba na kali nomase te tamakan kum kani ka notification kilabu syaiba ka section si kum kawai na kita kisah ba ka sokar ka nyo bakini banyo bagani kaban outfit mah on lofur mah te hadu kopor te kalapu syah ni ba kimpo dawu konsen advocate ur konsen mah ban yakun yang dikakam halo ni kan nomrem te nak kalian nulis yo kesenti kelayan semat ba lima ju siap pada terus toro te kelapa yang ada sithi mah kani kawan lima ju kan neutral national revolution council mah kani kadi tertarik umat ada besar. Thought saya punya itu Fernando Chambliang appointment of legal representative. With reference to the subject mentioned above, the New Threat National Revolution Council (HNRC) is pleased to appoint Master Fernando Chambliang as its legal representative to represent the organization in matters relating to the extension of the declaration of HNRC. As a one organization by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. As rescheduled date of the hearing has been fixed on the 22nd March 2024 at State Convention Center, 2025 at the State Convention Center, Meghalaya. The HNRC hereby informed the concerned authorities that the Council has appointed the aforesaid mentioned advocate to represent the organization in this matter, issued by the authority of NLC, and the has been signed by Bobby R. Marwin, Chairman of the HNRC, and San Kopar Nongtrao, General Secretary of NLC. The Harvard Inglayo Yaganiga, Shiti, Naksem, the Nagalian Kajungiru, Nakum, we concern the submit Yaganiga, intimidation. Letter report office from USP kami discusskan. Te, bat nak cuci kaporo gila. Haga bede bukan dia ban represent letting ini matalma. Haga bede bukan dia UAP kapan long kepala ke isu dah ministry hak kalai terus nombor ada besar. Ma kebangi submit mentarasmi hak kalai terus. Bumaj ada besar. Bat ya kan ni ada bersih tidak nak kalian dongga office from USP. Te kegiatan halal buat kenemo halal ngakuan percaya kegiatan halal bagi kenega notification kabar dei ban nyinyat kabar labu ba lakai ya kai chila simo ba ya kan ba kadi kata keseng kabar kakom kejimbo jo Ministry of Home Affairs Union of India kalau ba kini ba ka agency maintain links with other insurgent groups. Mo, long ini bang hipuan kiba, kaya kiba nak kalian juga ministry kapu. Mo, long ka peni ba kas agency kadang keti. Mo, berkini of the northeastern region, filtering out acts of aggression and intimidation. Susu mo kan kadang ko point ko ang ni ba? Indulged in 48 criminal cases. Including the several cases of expression or plan of the explosive in the state of Meghalaya. During the period from 16 November 2019 to 30 June 2024. Fisuru kaniga nufsyan ko ang kakat ko ka 100 November aja kakanda to 19 June 2024 ba. Lada kem hadu ba 73 of its kadar during the same period. But high period mo kani kawan dengan innovation. Te susu ga ko pan ane haga bide ba kene ba ya kan kat kum kene ga section 3(1) jong ka UAP 1967 ka kran shai ne ba ya ka new threat national liberation council along with all its function wings and front organization has as an unlawful association. The Chisho central government having regards to the unlawful activities mentioned above, that the unlawful activities committed in the past by the new threat national liberation council is of the opinion that circumstances which necessary to declare the new threat national liberation council HNLC along with all its function wings and front organization as unlawful association. In exercise of its work conferred by the provision of section 3 of subsection 3 of section 3 of the said act. Murkanik unlawful activities prevention now. Hanging maybe under section 4 of the said act have been in effect from the 16th of November 2024 for a period of 5 years. Murkatan kecingkan illegal unlawful yang kesal agency. Kebagawan nak buat kena ke home ministry government. Kalau kena ke nomor berapa? Kalau constitute ru hangne more ya kena ke unlawful activities prevention tribunal. Mo kena ke bawan ni napo kaya in the matter of the new threat National Liberation Council HNLC of Meghalaya. Dated 3/1/2025. Present Honorable Master Justice Sumitra Saikia, that is the presiding officer. Shri Subhas Chandra KL, their special officer, represented on behalf of the Union of India. But Kumjoro Nagaland University government la present lagi IPS sama. Direkat berkiwi ki besar di Jogja, kepada Jogja ha Superintendent of Police Shillong branch Jong Meghalaya. Ti kaoda ko bumi ni kat kum kena division kena tarik ko ba khala tu no war ada besar issued by the government of India in the Gazette of India Dictionary state the reason and ground that declared the new threat National Liberation Council of Meghalaya hereinafter referred to HNLC as unlawful association within the meaning of section 3(1) of the UAP Act 1967. Kata kawan kat komponen UAP Act. Okay, susu nang ni ba another Gazette notification dated 6 December 2024 was issued in the Gazette of India Dictionary constitute the tribunal for adjudicating. Ini kemudian adjudicating whether or not there is a sufficient cause for declaring the aforesaid organization as unlawful association under the Act. Ini poin mo, sebab kat declare pun. Nak lihat tu kan, macam tu sih kan ikon kan ni. Mo, dia nang tulis isu kat kom kan ni, dia able, kaya kat tribunal kat kom section 4(2) mo, 4(1) of the Act mo. Hani la represented ini kupang ala keren mana hani, dah master kesi KL bulan special counsel. But nak state government lah pasal nak niki lagi niki untuk IPS nak buat SBO semua. Okay, kumjuru nak hamni kaum ni ba have to tender appearance on behalf of nak kalian juga office juga SP office nanti on behalf of the office of DGP Meghalaya. On condition of the material placed on record the central government and after a hearing Master KL Land Special Counsel Union of India and from the office of SP represented by the APS. It is a prima facie suspect that notice under section 4(2) of the Act should be issued to the opposite organization along with its function, wing and organization. Kami kata notice, kaya kumna kami notice kat kamu limba kating issue juga sektor jongka union government. Kawai kalau pen baka issue syaka sengkisi limba by publication along with a copy of the Gazette notification dated 13 November 2024 in 2 daily newspapers, one in national newspaper in English and the other one in prominent local Begunala language newspaper, having wide circulation in the area where the activities of the agency are ordinarily carried on within 14 days. Which is kami notification lami. Okay, issue aku akan Sagaway, the notice covered by displaying the notice along with the copy of the Gazette notification dated 13 November 2024 on the notice board of the deputy commissioner. Every deputy commissioner, the Nangta USDM, superintendent of police in all the district headquarters of the state, where the activities of the HLC were to be believed to be ordinarily carried on. Notice also been sent on the state government on Meghalaya through its chief secretary. Can you notice Kalaya? Can you notice and the Gazette notification dated 13 November 2024. Be also announced in the All India Radio, Nangta electronic media at the prime time. That and shall also be posted at the prominent place in the state where the activities of the HNLC were on the or the belief to be carried on. Shushu Kanika noticed by publishing on the website of the Ministry of Home Affairs, Union of India, and of the Department of Home and Political Government of India. Shushu Kanika noticed by any other possible modes, including email, etc. The central government also asked the state government of Meghalaya shall make necessary and adequate arrangement for the service of notice. Kani kawan badeh lo kani ba Nagaland juga isolasi kasawan sekmak batbo yo kan dalam taban yakun ya kani ba ka isolasi halo jingkhen bi ain ka isolasi te susu kani kelabo kani tarik mo kani kelabo lo ni hapo haka kelabo katarik kadi haka katan tarik naik ba Kasan dari negara agar usaha kerja ini harus dikonvensi mo. Hamba itu nak kalian nak seni sebab bukan sel nak kerja, nak kalian nak kaya seni kan. Jadi susu aku akan percaya pi benda kadang sekali mo. Bah kami kawan beta po the Office of Registrar on Lawful Activities Prevention of Deputy Registrar. Bench at floor Guwahati High Court, New Building Guwahati mo. Thus to the New Threat National Revolution Council, HNLC of Meghalaya. Where Ngachwa Pulia Nimo, whereas the state government in size of the war conferred by subsection 1 of section 3 of the EU has been declared the New Threat National Revolution Council, HNLC of Meghalaya, along with all its function wings and front, organization to be on the full accession with immediate effect from 16/11/2024 with innovation number 3920E published in the Gazette of India dated 13 November 2024. Whereas the Gazette notification number issue 100 December in its size of the war under Section 5(1) of the Act, the central government has constituted the Unlawful Activities Prevention Tribunal comprising of the Justice Sumitra Saikia, Judge Guwahati High Court, for the purpose of adjudicating, without or not their instruction cause for declaring the said New Threat National Revolution Council as unlawful action as declared by Section 1 of Section 4 of the UPA. Therefore, a notice is hereby given under the subsection 2 of Section 4 of the Act, read with Rule 3 of Rule 6 of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Rule 1968, and you are hereby called upon to show cause in writing within 30 days from the date of the service of the notice as to why the said New Threat National Revolution Council, HNLC of Meghalaya, should not be declared as unlawful association and why an order should not be made confirming the declaration to the above effect made in the above mentioned notification. Tadi kadi lain tarik Januari akhir pesan. But any objection, reply, written statement if any may be filed, delivered within the statutory period of 30 days from the date of service of the notice before the registrar of the tribunal. The undersigned at the chamber of the deputy registrar, third floor Guwahati High Court, Guwahati, In case objection, reply, written statement are in original or regional or vernacular language. Through English translation thereof shall be also attached. Susu kini penting mo. You are required to appear sebagai ni penting mo before the tribunal or may cause an appearance on your behalf before the tribunal on the 15th to 2025 at State Convention Center, Shillong, Meghalaya, either through a authorized representative or an instructed counsel or advocate. Whereafter, irrespective of your appearance, the tribunal shall proceed as per Section 3 of Section 4 of the Act. But ia kini hearing by the tribunal labo akan dikatakan sendiri. Jadi nanggalin juga tribunal, nanggalin juga instansi keempat. Represent by kamu counsel, teman-teman nanggalin juga. Jom ke eksekusi kelatuk yang aku tahu counsel, nanggalin juga nak proceed kemat ini kes. Agak beda begini, jadi kain berlain yang kasih eksekusi. Di ini pun nampak kini di kenal baru nanggalin juga ada eksekusi.
Kumupiong
Kiba syakkan tidak itu kadai nadu 16 November ada terkendai 230 June 73 of its conduct.
Kemudian
Kalau kecing bu ya kini kipoin takkan Home Ministry mo Government of India mo ya kini di kan bi kalau tadi di nanggalin juga eksekusi kanya sekemat ban tadi ban atau kanya sekut ingin saya pek aku.
kemudian ini pada yang tua bedi batak
Kaniga Ministry of Home Affairs Notification SO 4920E. Ini dalam poin ba kalau kata bahwa nukong orang apa declare agency kementerian nation nama poin nukong kalau declare objective jangan saya kalau secession of areas of the state of Meghalaya largely inhabited by Khasi and Jaintia tribes from India. Starting point 1. Kalau Allah strategically continue intimidation and bullying of the civilian population for extortion of fund. Kata orang karun kan kita juga karena kita extortion of fund. Kalau orang agency maintaining with other insurgent group in Northeast. Kita point. Kalau orang bagan tentang atau satu peraturan criminal cases kalau control the expression dan the planting of explosive harga jalan Meghalaya namun kalau terlihat global ada kendai ada mulai potret jun jalan besar nampak baka iPad sebagai satu point whereas the following has also been noted during the period kalau November ada kendai ada mulai jun jalan besar new plan disahkan baru sejak sebelum di kuala kara sebelum lo kita ini nolun kalau person nolun kami nak tribunal baru declare agency as a bad organization baru extend yang declaration
kumulong
this process pistok kalau kita juga agency kami macam ni alai pasang banyak berka government bimba hikmat yang central government baru berka state government banyak yang kata suah bagi baka sengkan posisi hikmat yang dikapis proses yang dibangun yang apa ya kan ni kemudian arsenal tam lah pasang yang kata political dialogue dan political channel kemudian bangun yang apa nagalian ka central state government yang kimlah bangun yang apa kemudian apa kapagi pada Chelsea kadang kuai berga kongsian kuai mereka Chelsea kadang mana syaga jigesuk kesalka habang ilafir lah ke political platform teman-teman agensi dah tak jitu ban yai beteng ya ke peace process kambansi ban sih yang ke politik ya ke judicial platform ke dah ke tung yang konsular dari wilayah tersebut bukan side hak tribunal ba kumno ba balik ba bangladesh ba dikira ban nasi ke saya jadi kata kemudian long yang lalu cuma ini ban komen boleh ada dulu asal peace process agensi kalau serius ke peace process na bakal feel political platform teka kuah banyak dengan judicial redress yang mereka bentar. Mungkin itu first time itu nak solusi kan kontes yang mereka ban sudah legal course.
Okay. Kamu kasih start allegations kibabu laka ministry ban ka sen
atau ka rubbish ka deny all these allegations. Kadang-kadang kita mahu cukup bukan saya. Namun nakalian ka government, nakalian ka establishment, nakalian ka state central government, kita kini buat kini ka accusation kat kung kani ka tribunal. Teka saya kadang jauh benda, kadang saya kita jauh benda. Namun hawa pun kita benda ni kadang kita jing ko, hawa ini ka justification ni kita pakai justification ni kita ni explosive activities. Kabupun kita kadang kita jing ko nakalian di board kulit ni bos kal gila pun tidak 4% lagi di share yang itu persen. Teka siapa agak yang bisa pada ni kalau agak ni tribunal baru royal ni banyak kun pada kata apa agak bentak benda poka tribunal. Nakalian central government, home ministry, pada nakalian state government kini bercutu bagai section si dalam serius ni peace process. Teka siapa agak role bagai sim kami kini berpersen yang Union of India Subhash Chandra Gaya ini berpersen state government. Hakmat kini tribunal ba kumno kin sinai ya kalah nanti. Kalau ada mengapa tribunal kin sinai kalah nanti ba ka agency kan wan yang sikmak sistem abi ini ka peace process. Ini ka kalau nulu arjala kan nulu berdikar kalau dia ada tribunal aman bagi militan groups for notice bahawa ini bentar ini konstitusi ini tribunal tapi kan tribunal kalau ke special court bentuk jadi ni UAPA cases kan kami lihat bagi militan organisasi dan kita ki sehingga
Kapag juga ni kalombang kasi ganing kong na channel si kala challenge ya kan ka ba na ka tumo. Kalau ngtam
kani kasi belum